Imagine you've just received your sleek, new Neon card in the mail. You're eager to start using it, but how do you activate it? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Ever felt like a kid on Christmas morning, waiting to unwrap that one special gift? Well, activating your Neon card is kind of like that, except instead of toys, you're getting access to a world of convenience and style. Before we dive into the activation process, let's quickly recap what the Neon card is all about. It's more than just a payment card, it's a lifestyle statement. With its sleek design and unique features, the Neon card offers a premium experience like no other. Step-by-step activation. Now, let's get to the main event, activating your card. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Find the activation code. Your activation code is usually found on a sticker on your card or in the accompanying documentation. Visit the Neon website, go to the Neon website and look for the Activate Card section. Enter your details, input your activation code, card number, and any other required information. Create a PIN. Choose a strong PIN for your card security. Verify your identity. You may need to verify your identity by providing additional information or completing a verification process. Common activation issues and solutions. Even though the activation process is usually straightforward, there might be times when you encounter issues. Here are some common problems and their solutions. Incorrect activation code. Double-check the code for any typos or errors. Network issues. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Website glitches. Try refreshing the page or accessing the website from a different device. Additional tips. Here are a few extra tips to make the activation process smoother. Have your card ready. Make sure you have your card handy before starting the process. Read the instructions carefully. Pay attention to any specific instructions provided in the documentation. Contact Neon support. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Neon's customer support. And there you have it. You've successfully activated your Neon card. Now, you're ready to experience the convenience and style it offers. From making payments to accessing exclusive perks, your Neon card is your gateway to a world of possibilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending.